Hey, Shawn Cutter here, and I'm not calling in from my office, but I'm calling in from a hotel room. I'm up here in Quebec on a bit of a journey, and I thought I'd take a moment and cover some nice new capabilities that I've discovered out of ChatGPT. So to start out, set this up? I have conversations. In this case, I'm talking about one of the companies I'm involved with. I'm talking about their website. And I've already had a long conversation about the website, about pages, digital signage in retail, information to people. It's a website, marketing website. Now, I've had this conversation, so this is a useful prompt, and I'll show you how to make it better. Review the entire conversation, the task, identify all the prompting patterns, basically identify all the patterns used. I want you to describe them and make it easy for me to reuse those in other places. Create functional prompts. I'm a systems thinker. I think functionally, try to solve things with something to put it in place and never solve it again. So I find this incredibly useful because it breaks down the conversation I'm having, but it molds it so I can reuse this, right? Because you see this insert content here. So we have all this, and if I put the content here, it's going to execute that same functionality every time. That's useful. You can encode that into a workflow. Content creation for web pages. Well, that's part of what I was calling about and why I was having a conversation in the first place. SEO-friendly titles, yes, all good. Here's the structure, title suggestions. So it really broke all of that down. How can I enhance it? Potential areas of compound retrieval. So often you have one conversation, you say something, and then you got to go to something else. I don't like having to do that over and over again. Wouldn't it be better if it could just do more of that at the same time? Say, outline the creation for a whole structure and then go ahead and build it. Case study for success, case studies and success stories. Boom, create one for this business. All you have to do is insert title, insert the challenge, insert solution, insert results. And this thing will create that content for the page. Pretty useful. Now, can you provide me a dozen additional prompt techniques that I haven't used that will help the Green Screens website? Now I can just go down through here, I plop them in, different conversation, and go to town because competitor analysis. I could do all of this work. I'd rather have an assistant help me with it.